You know what's the worst? Finding the perfect house in the perfect location, perfect school district, commute time, price tag, literally everything you could possibly want. And you lose it because you didn't have this valuable insider information that we are going to share with you now. Let's give a round of applause for today's expert realtor guest star, Jonny Layne of Layne Realty Group. Get it? Never mind. Can I call you Jonny?
Yeah.
Great. Jonny is here to share his expert wisdom about how to submit a winning offer. Okay, so this first one we've talked a lot about in past videos because it is so important. So why should a buyer get pre-approved?
Well, having the right pre-approval can really make or break your offer. Working with a local lender that has fully underwritten your file and is available by phone or text when the listing agent calls is going to make you look so much more attractive than a buyer that's working with a big bank that can only really be reached through a phone tree.
So what about a closing date? Is sooner better than later? Or?
Yeah, I mean, more often than not, sellers are going to want to close as soon as possible. So at least being able to show that you can close in 21 days rather than, let's say, 45 days, it's going to look so much better and show that the seller that you're super motivated.
Let's talk home inspections.
Well, you know, every agent that's worth their salt is going to recommend having a home inspection done on the home. So before you submit your offer, call your local home inspector and find out how quickly they can get out to the property. So if you can show that you can have your home inspection contingency end in 48 hours rather than 5 days, again, it's going to show the seller that you're super motivated.
Money talks, right?
It always does. I mean, showing a seller that you've got a substantial earnest money deposit rather than, let's say, 1% is going to really set you apart from the competition.
And finally, do you typically get intel from the seller's agent or communicate with them at all?
Oh yeah, big time. I mean, it's all about having the right agent that's willing to call the listing agent and find out what the hot buttons are for the sellers, because every seller is going to be a little bit different. So communication is key, and when you're a little bit more aggressive than, let's say, agent B, it's going to put you in a position to get your dream home and make it a reality.
Thanks so much for joining us today, Jonny.
You got it.
If you're in the DC metro area and are looking for a great realtor, Jonny's your guy. His info will be linked below, and also you can follow him on social media here and here. And as always, if you're curious about how much home you can comfortably afford, give us a call. A Homespire loan officer will gladly crunch the numbers for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have a burning mortgage-related question, leave it in the comments below and maybe your question will be featured in a future video.